Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup retirement documents with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your retirement documents with Betterment, start by logging into your Betterment account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. In the Settings menu, look for the Documents tab. Click on the Documents tab to view your existing retirement documents. Identify the documents you want to backup. You may find tax forms, statements, or investment documents here. Select the document by clicking on it to open. Review the document to ensure it is the correct one. Next, look for the download option, usually indicated by an icon or a link. Click on the download option to save the document to your device. Choose a secure location on your device for the downloaded document. Consider creating a dedicated folder for your retirement documents. Once downloaded, ensure that the document is not corrupted by opening it. Now that you have a backup on your device, consider additional storage options. For extra security, upload the document to a cloud storage service. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox are excellent for this purpose. If opting for cloud storage, make sure it is accessible only to you. To upload the document, open your preferred cloud service. Locate the Upload button within the cloud storage interface. Click on Upload and select the downloaded document from your device. Allow the upload to complete, which may take a moment. Once uploaded, verify that the document is securely stored in the cloud. For long-term security, consider periodically backing up your documents. Set reminders to review and update your downloaded files annually. Consistency in backing up your retirement documents will enhance your financial security. Finally, document your backup process for future reference. This guide will help ensure all important documents are safely stored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.